everyone, how are you? This is Dr. Umesh Tamija, again my favorite place, chemistry lab, with my cameraman and scientific expert, Jasprit ma'am, Jasprit Kaur Gariwal. Under her guidance, I am performing this experiment, and she is shooting this beautiful video for you. So, the test for acid in the base. In my last two videos, you have understood what is acid, what is a base, and how to test it. We have done two things. Number one, we have done the litmus test. Acid turned the blue litmus red, and the base turned the red litmus blue. And in the second video, you have seen the neutralization with the phenolphthalein. Base and phenolphthalein gives a pink color, but acid does not give any pink color. And if I add acid and the base all together, it neutralizes. But if I have excess of acid, that will turn to the acidic solution. That we have done in the previous video. If you have not seen that video till now, watch it first now. Then come back to this video. Today I have another test that you can perform at your place. In your kitchen, of course. Kitchen is a very good lab. One of the best lab in the world, the chemistry lab in the world is the Indian kitchen. Yes. The Indian kitchen is one of the best chemistry lab in the world. So I have here a litmus paper. Sorry my dear. This is a turmeric paper. Right? And here I have a base. The property of this turmeric paper is, if I dip this turmeric paper in a base, from yellow it will turn to red. But with an acid or a neutral water, no change. So what I do is, I have a base, few drops I'll take in this watch glass, and I'm dipping this turmeric paper. Let us see the magic of chemistry. It turns to red. But the same litmus paper, if I dip to acid, no change. Or the same litmus paper to water, again no change. So this turmeric paper test is a conformity test of base. Now what do you do? You have bitter gourd. करेला सबके घर में होगा, मार्केट से खरीद के लाना, बाजार से, सब्जी की दुकान से. Take out its juice. This is base. Now go to your lab, kitchen. Take small amount of turmeric. Make its aqueous solution. Aqueous solution means dissolve it in water. It will become a yellow solution. Now what do? Add the turmeric powder, the turmeric solution, to that bitter gourd solution. The whole will become red, and that confirms the presence of the bases in the bitter gourd. And now what do? The same test you can do it with the water and with your vinegar. Vinegar is an acid. सिरका, आपके घर में सिरका होगा. देखो इधर किचन में जाकर सिरका रखा होगा, फ्रिज में रखा होगा. जाओ चेक करो, अभी चेक करो. You can check it. There is the vinegar, and if you perform the same test, same turmeric solution test with the vinegar, no color change will be there. In water there will be no color in color, but with the bitter gourd solution, करेले के जूस में जब आपने add किया, that solution is turning to red. Do this experiment today, because doing is science. Don't cram science. Don't cram chemistry. Understand it. Perform the experiment, and welcome to the group of scientists. Thank you.